welcome back to my channel. I wasn't sure if I should vlog this, but I'm going to Chanel to pick up my bag and I'm already here. I just need to get my mask. So in Geneva for Chanel, I usually shop in BonjourAika because I have my lovely essay here and I just prefer it so much better. There are some bags and a neat piece over here on the display. That bag is really beautiful. I love the color. And there it is. Let's take a look at shoe selection maybe. These ones are really nice. Really beautiful. And how cute is this bag? It's like a half moon shaped bag. They have this bucket hat over there. Oh, this one is pretty. By the way, here's my outfit. I'm wearing this new jacket. It's from H&M. And this belt is from Dolce & Gabbana. And my jeans, Nike sneakers. Pretty. Let's see Ariana. Oh.
Oh, sorry. Just remove this one. So
it's very interesting, the texture. It's like it looks grained a little bit with gray, no?
it seems, but it's actually not. But actually the color is different compared to the one that is mini classic. But the inside is actually, you see?
Oh, it's really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish it was the same outside.
Yeah.
It would have looked beautiful.
If you want, I can remove the alarm so you can take a better picture.
Sure.
Maybe it's better for you.
Some of the SLGs. That 19 bag is beautiful. It's a little bit shiny, as you can see. Then they also have that yellow DeVille tote. You have so many beautiful bags. So here's it's called Mini Coco handle.
And this is the micro.
And this is the micro. It's so adorable. It's really cute.
Yeah, it's so pretty. And the chain is longer, so you can really cross body. But the problem is that it's quite small. It depends which telephone you have.
Not the largest.
And the color is very cool. It's actually soft pink.
So here's the micro Coco handle, and I've actually never seen it before, and the chain is pretty long. I'm 168 for reference, and it's kind of long. What if you crossbody it, for example? Yeah, it looks nice, and the color is really beautiful. So pretty. So here is the bag, and it's really not what we were expecting. It looks off-white on camera for some reason, but it has this pearlish effect a little bit, but up close it looks kind of dirty, and it's not. It's this little miniature, I don't know, particles that they included. But here is the bag. It's still beautiful. I mean, of course I'll take it because I waited for such a long time for this bag, but it's sort of disappointing because I thought the iridescent color would be a lot brighter than this, but it's still really cute. Really cute. Here is the walk in the new silver, and it's stunning. And look at this clutch. It's so gorgeous. But it's in velvet, so as you can see, everything sticks to it, and you can really see it on the camera. But it's beautiful. Very pricey, 6,800 Swiss francs, but it's so pretty with all this like brooches on it, CC brooches, and it comes with a chain. Very nice. Oh, and the turquoise. More sneakers. I love the combinations, but I already have the black and white pair from Chanel, so I want something slightly different. These ones are really cool, and I think this is an older style. This bag looks like a classic flap, but a single flap, and it's like a square. These are beautiful, and also these ones. But I cannot justify the price of this. Everyone is loving this beige clair from Chanel 19 bag, and I think it's stunning. These colors are cool. Oh, this is beautiful. I've seen it before, and every time I look at it, I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. And it's in tweed. And I don't own a single bag from Chanel in tweed. It has a lot of different colors, but mainly white and blue. So cute. These flats are gorgeous, but they are small. I'm not gonna lie, it's 37 and I need a 37.5. They don't have any in stock, but hopefully we can order because they are beautiful. So pretty. I love the silver, and imagine the combo with my new mini bag. So good. Even with an outfit like this, I think it looks quite good. They are so beautiful. I want a pair like this because the silver is stunning, and I'm not sure about the price. I think it's around 600. No, that's old prices. Around 700 probably, but they're worth every penny because they're so beautiful. I love this silver. And here is another pair of sneakers that I want to try, and this is what I was talking about with the laces and the style. They're very breathable with these tiny little holes around. Chanel at the back, super cool. So let me try them on. And it's perfect size. I'm not sure if I want black or white. I kind of like white ones as well, but they're gonna be so dirty because it's fabric. I'm sure I'm gonna stain them. Here's both of them, and I love them. But my essay says they're a little bit too plain for Chanel, and she would rather go for something more Chanel-ish. But I kind of like that they're pretty understated. There's not a lot going on. They're super breathable, which is perfect for summer walks. And I'm not sure if I want them in black. I wanted them in black initially because, you know, more practical. But since I tried on the white ones, I'm like, oh, do I need a white one instead? Because they are amazing and pretty comfy too. Very light. And I'm also trying on the black. This is 37.5, just for the size reference, but they feel smaller than the silver ones, and silver is in 37 and this is 37.5, and they're even smaller. Okay, I don't understand it. This is so weird. So Mayase brought me this. Check this out. I can now get a matching pair of shoes for my masks. This is hilarious, but I mean, the color combination is exactly the same. Crazy. They look very similar to my Nike ones, and they look quite good with my mask. But still, I'm not sure about this color combo. It's not my favorite, to be honest. Although I like this shoe a lot with a mask.